Good day mga mates. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back to the new episode to my channel, The Adventures of Kepwing. As you can see, I have a whole duck over here. My wife bought this for $25 in the shop yesterday. So what I'm gonna do right now is to stuff all of these spices inside, or I'm gonna roast straight away on my roast pit over there. So as you can see that the fire is already burning. So what I'm gonna do right now is to complete all this stuffing, and we can start the roasting straight away. Siguro maybe around 2 to 3 hours malambot na ito, tsaka crispy na ito. So this is my lunch for today, and hopefully you're gonna enjoy watching my video upload for this episode of Adventures of Kepwing. So I'm gonna start now with my ingredient. This is the crushed garlic. So this is the first thing that I'm gonna put first inside of it. Right. Next is the onion, a red onion. It's a big red onion. So onion leeks. This is also one of the best spices for stuffing inside of whatever meat you're gonna roast. Gonna add some more of red onions. Next is, this is one of the best. This is the lemongrass. We call this tanlad in Philippines. This is one of the best spices to put in lechon or whatever it is. Right, so we're gonna stuff some more black pepper. Okay, not much. And magic sarap, just one. Once it's roasted, the flavor really delicious. After that, I'm gonna just put some of the salt. That's it. Just pinch this one over here. That's pretty much it. So we're ready to put this on a roast pit. All set, mga mates. So last thing, I'll just brush the outside skin of the duck with the soy sauce. Sa mga supporters natin dyan, mga subscribers natin, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsubaybay sa channel ni Adventures of Kepwing. Hope you always enjoy my vlog, my food mukbang, and I'm gonna give you more adventures over here in Melbourne and in Australia particularly. Okay, all done. Mates, habang inintay natin yung niluluto natin, jamming muna tayo. Alam ko may paborito yung kanta ng isang tropa natin dyan, si Engineer Errol. It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me. I am old, but I'm happy. I was once like you are now, and I know that it's not easy to become found something small. Yeah, we're right, I'd agree, but it's then to know that me is away. I know that I am you. I know I have to go. Yun! Yan na mga kamates, yung hinihintay natin. After 2 hours and a half to. Kita nyo yan. Grabe oh. So, may susawan tayo. Get a dipping sauce. For the rice. Look at that. Kain tayo. Hope you enjoy watching. Oh, grabe, lambot oh. Lasang-lasa yung litso na ano, yung lemongrass. Grabe oh. Ako, sira yung diet nito. Lambot. Two hours and a half pa naman. Sa mga viewers natin dyan, mag-subscribe na po kayo. Adventures of Kepwing. Umpisa pa lang to sa mga masasarap na iba-vlog ko at saka kakainin ko. Outdoor cooking ko to. Medyo lumuwag-luwag namin ngayon dito sa Melbourne. Pwede namin mag-travel within 25 kilometers. Dati 5 kilometers lang. So, sunod ko na vlog. Punta ako sa city. Review natin yung mga sasarap na mga restaurant to. Oh! Grabe oh! Sarap! Lemongrass is really good. The smell is Gugutumin kayo dyan mga mates. Lambot. Still very hot. Perfect for pulutan to. If you have beer. Musok. Ah. Pulse of the bone, mate. Try this at home and you will surprise how simple and how delicious it is. Worth it. Oh. Tingnan natin. Oh, very hot. Yan o. Oh. Shout out kay Deiro, Singapore. Yung malapit na yung channel mo. Keep it up. Mga supporters natin dyan, mga subscribers natin dyan, please share my videos in YouTube para todo suporta sa Adventures of Kepwing. Lunch at saka dinner na to mga kamay. Hindi na hawakaan na maya. Time check pala. 12:46 ngayon dito, Melbourne. 3 hours ahead kami dyan sa Pilipinas. Grabe oh. 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 Minorder ko na yung pato. Ito yung mga quality ng mga timplada. Parang kumakain ka lang sa restaurant. Mura pa. Wow. Umuusok pa oh. Nahahango lang yan. Dito tayo sa less fat. Wala ka lang hahanapin pa. Sarap sa my belly. Grabe. Engineer Errol, shout out. Susunod tayo magmumukbang. Special guest ka. Yun. Yan mga kamates, almost nakalahati ko na yung pato. So hindi naman tayo talagang mukbangero na uubusin ko yan. Pang wholesome yung mukbang natin. Kaya salamat sa mga lahat ng nanonood. Huwag na huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe, mag-like, mag-share ng channel ni Adventures of Kepwing. Have a nice day everyone.